Hello friends, Ashton here. So today I'm bringing a new update to the add-on Chalkline. Alright, so this is the update for Google Documents and Google Sheets. So first, let's check the update here for the Google Documents. So it's basically an update, a new function here to insert a signature to Google Docs. Okay, let me delete this one and go to the add-on here. So if you click on this menu item here, so we have this pop-up here, and then I'm going to take a while to load this sign pad here, and then you can draw your name here, and then it's going to insert it to the active position, okay, in your document. So if you insert this signature here, you can insert it here, and then you can resize it if you want. So that's basically the feature here for the signature, and it's designed for signature, but I think you also can draw something, anything you want to insert it as an image in your document, right? And very similar idea in the Google Sheets. I also bring this to Google Sheets, so you can open the extension signature here, and then the user interface is the same, but this time here is going to insert it into the active cell. Okay, so right here it's inserted into the active cell, but if you want to put it somewhere else, you can right click on this cell and go to the image and put the image over there. I think this way you can move it around if you want. Okay, so that's basically the update, and I think I'm planning to bring this update to. So right now this add-on is originally is designed for Google Sheets, and then I bring it to Google Docs, and I think I'm planning to bring it to Google Slides, and with some new features, and maybe we can bring the same feature to Google Slides too, because just insert this signature to the Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides. Okay, so that's the next step. And that's all about this update. Thank you. Bye-bye.